guys, it's Jessica Caro here, and today we will be showcasing the British Rail passenger car in Minecraft. Here is a quick look, and it took a long time to build. And also I just got some pet parrots. Yes, hello parrots. I left the other ones here, but I'm trying to tame these foxes. This sounds so cute. But also, this is actually gonna be a tutorial soon. It's a fish tank. I just spammed a lot of fish in a tank. Yeah. But yeah, let's not pay attention to that. But yeah, that's actually the British Rail passenger car. First I credits to Gravity Foxer for this build. Actually, because I used this car and actually updated it, but Gravity Foxer built it in 2017, 3 years ago. I decided to make it again, but I should update it, and I did. And also credits Gravity Foxer for Lamborghini Aventador. Yeah, I got it for him, but I did do a little bit of changes, but yeah. Here it is. It's not mine, it's Gravity Fox's, but I updated it for him. We just heard a minecart whistle. Where are the case sounds pitched and low pitched, high pitched and low pitched in this kind of Minecraft? So weird. They're supposed to be like the other old Minecraft sound. This turning is meant to be 13K, so there's more than 13K sounds. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the showcase this round. Let me just give you a little more showcase. I mean tour. I built lots of trains, and no is commissioned. Bedrock wanted some freight cars on the intercity British Rail fast passenger train, but said to build a freight car. I think he said that. I think I dreamed, but I just randomly made these. And I also what's this block called? I didn't notice this block. Where is it? Birch, no. Oh, where is it? Whoa. It's a mushroom? Where is that block? It's somewhere here. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, right here. So this is the block. It's smooth sandstone. And the other one used to be smooth sandstone, but they named it cut sandstone. Ooh, smooth sandstone. Goodbye. But anyways, that's it for the showcase. And I did. This is actually a 1-to-1 scale train car, freight car. When they're on scales, it's the same wheels as the other freight cars, but they're just 1-to-1 scale. Same one, but yeah, in a 1-to-1 scale build, I will be using polished blackstone wall and like 2 dark wood trapdoors on top of each other for like the coupling, the little coupling, the 1-to-1 one coupling. But yeah, pretty interesting to see these animals around too. Yeah, and other times they're just playing outside over there. But yeah, let me just end the video right this. I think the thumbnail is gonna pop up like this.